Hey, bitch. We are about to go for some photo shoots because he got new wheels. Got new wheels. Dude, I think my thing is so out of focus right now.
Get to the fucking vlog and it's just like...
It is out of focus. Hold on.
Shit.
No, there you go. It's in focus. Is that it?
$5?
5 gallons. Dude, hey, what is up, everyone? So basically, there is nothing to do today because of all the... Jesus Christ. King asshole. There's nothing to do today because of the quarantine stuff. I'm waiting on a couple stuff that should have arrived earlier this week, but I guess did not. What I'm waiting on right now is my spark plugs. I gotta do all new spark plugs, and that's just mainly for, there's no misfire or anything. It's mainly just for my general purpose to make sure those are swapped out. I don't know when was the last time that they got serviced. And I think I'm supposed to change them every 20 or 30,000 miles for this N55 motor. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I ordered some NGKs. You know, it was such a headache to find out which one was the one that I needed. I figured it out. So right now we're following Justin. You guys remember the blue Fiesta ST. If you guys have seen it, it's lowered. It has everything but an intercooler, and at the same time it has new wheels. Believe it or not, he finally got rid of his stock black wheels and he went with some really nice ones. And I think when we get to the point where we're getting to, I'll show you guys. So we're in the middle of nowhere. Nice looking stuff. We're about to wipe these guys down. I don't know why I took out my camera, but I'm gonna do this right now. I'll wipe them down. Alright, he got that cleaned up. Even the wheels, because they had so much brake dust, they were already like an orangey color. Got those done. And his car as well. Dunzo. I thought you... Damn. We're just talking about this. We gotta get like all that bug and tar remover.
I know. I wiped it already.
We decided to just come out here, chill, and just wipe everything down in the middle of the road while cars are passing by. Is someone else passing? No, not yet. Alright. Let's get a couple pictures in and let's see how it goes. Oof. Sometimes I love white, sometimes I don't. But I kind of want to wrap the roof gloss black. I don't know, what do you guys think?
Do it.
You think you should go with the big ass turbo? Do it.
I'm gonna be a slow boy.
No, you're not. Actually, when you put on his intake and everything, he's actually faster than this car. So, I don't know, maybe my charge pipe helped me. You know? The windows down, we're just cruising along, you know, kind of in 5th gear. I'm pretty sure this is all gonna sound super windy, but it's okay. I have no AC. I think we came to location number 2, which there's no way we can fit through there. It's closed for our cars. So unless we're planning on parking it in front and doing it from here, yes, but we'll see what he says.
Aggressive ass pops.
They are.
And I accidentally rev matched red line.
Damn. So what are we doing here now?
Oh, it's just another cool little spot. It's the old bridge. So you know the one that we came on over there?
Mm-hmm.
I like this river. This is a cool ass spot.
Damn, that water's pretty clear, man.
Yeah.
Shit.
Because up here, no one touches it. The closest thing is Jamestown, which is, you know,
Where we're going right now?
20 more miles that way.
You said 20 more miles. 20 more miles.
No,
back.
It was like 3 miles ago. Okay. But yeah, dude. You'll see hella fish swimming through here, obviously.
Let's go get into this water, man. Let's go swimming.
Bro, if I had my trunks on, I would jump in right now.
Like, I feel like we, like, just some sort of, like, park ranger or some shit. that would just show up and be like, get the f out.
Oh no, you can swim in here.
No, you can swim in here?
Oh hell yeah. Dude, we used to do it all the time.
Alright, I'm jumping.
So do not jump? Dude, watch me.
I feel like if you jump, you'll die for sure.
No, okay, so
Are these little love
yeah,
blocks?
they tried doing that little shit like they do over in Italy.
Let's see this one. Tom and Lori Nelson. Happy 42nd anniversary.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Happy anniversary, guys.
It was, oh shit, I just saw the date. February 10th, 1977. Oh my god.
That was 3 years ago, so
I want that kind of love.
Their 45th anniversary now.
Oh, you know this relationship ain't gonna fucking last.
Is that fucking Sharpie dog? It wouldn't even send a test of winter.
This one
It's like engraved, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to touch it though.
Yeah.
But they had another locket on top. Oh, wait. Okay, here's another one. It says, I love you, Tom. Happy 41st. And that was in December 10th. Oh, wait. Damn. So this is December 10th, 1977. The other thing was, the other lock was blocking the one.
Oh. Dang.
So they did this twice. Oof, behind the scenes of all these pictures we're recreating for him. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. That one had to go.
Again. The fuck out there. So we're gonna recreate one of his pictures that he took before he had wheels and when this car was stock. I gotta see, but this is what we're gonna work with. That's what we have, and we have moving traffic, so let's see how this goes, and then we'll do my car next. So basically, we went to go visit a couple places. Again, we were talking about recreating some pictures and whatnot, and I'll probably post some of those up on here. And most of them are going on to my Instagram. You guys can follow him at junior_st. That's where his is, you can see his pics or the pics that I took of his car. He'll probably post his faster than I would. I tend to kind of just post mine periodically, not everyday kind of stuff. We made it all the way to Jamestown, which he knows about, I don't, but there's a lot of, you know, fun and exciting roads all the way over here. Times right now are so bad that we'd rather just cruise along and, you know, get out of the house a little bit. That's all the stuff that we're trying to talk about, you know. I hope all of you guys enjoy your day too. Hopefully you guys are doing stuff. You know, what are you guys doing for fun? What's a creative way of keeping your mind distracted from everything? For me, and I feel like a lot of you enthusiasts, driving is always some way to clear your head, clear your mind, help you think straight about everything, and that's technically what we're doing here. We needed some time to go out, kind of clear our minds. We have a lot going on, and you know, again, he hit me up and told me, hey, let's go out for a cruise, and I was like looking for, and the funny thing was, we didn't plan this, he just told me today, and I was looking for a cruise yesterday, and there was nothing, so, yeah. Will he pass up? I passed my friend up, let's see if he does it.